Hi everybody, I found out something today that I'm hoping is going to help you. I spent like a lot of time trying to find the answer to this, but luckily today I figured it out. So I installed the Woocommerce, and down here it says you have to enable the reviews under the product tab. So I did. So then when I went to my website and I said, hey guys, would you mind leaving a review? There is nowhere to leave a review. So I had no idea what was going on. So I figured it out. So what you got to do is not only have it enabled here, you also have to have it enabled on the product itself. So what you do is you go down to where it says advanced, click on advanced, and then it says enable reviews. Click on that, go back up, update, and once it's updated, go back to your website, refresh, and there it is, reviews. So I hope this helped someone, because it took me forever to figure this out. I tried everything, I asked everyone, and nobody seemed to understand either the question or maybe they weren't sure themselves. But I hope this helped you, because it really was frustrating me. So I hope this helped. Have a good day.